Hi, I am Imal Aswath. This is a compound interest problem. In how many years rupees 5,000 becomes rupees 10368 at 20% per annum compound interest calculated annually? In how many years? It is you have to find the year. Rupees 5,000 becomes. So principal is 5,000. The total amount is 10368 at 20% per annum compound interest calculated annually. So for that, we know that compound interest is P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Here compound is given 10368. 10368. So that is P is 5000. P is 5000. Here 1 plus R is 20%. So 20 by 100 the whole power n. N we have to find. So 10368 divided by 5000 equal to 1 plus 20 by 100. So that is equal to 1 plus 20 by 100 is, what is 0, 0 cancel, 1 by 5. So 5 plus 1 by 5. So 1 plus 1 by 5. 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 the whole power n. So next what is your what you have to do is you have to bring this one to 6 by 5 form. Then only we can find the year. For that first we have to divide. That is equal to 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 0 0. Then 5 2s are 10, 1 2 is 2, 16, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8. That is 5 2s are 10, 1 2 is 2, 16, 8 2s are 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8. Next here it is 5, that is 25 0 0. Then if we cut to one more time, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 10, 5 2s are 10, 0. Then here 2 2s are 4, 11, 5 2s are 10, 18, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Then again 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Then here 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, 6 2s are 12. Then 1 2 9 6, that is 625 is 5 power 4. Then 1 2 9 6, that is 1 2 9 6. So it is, here it is 6. So I here divide it by 6. So 2 6 are 12, 1 6 is 6, 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 6. 3 6 are 18, 3 36, 6 are 36, 6 6. So 1 2 9 6 we can express it in 6 power 4. So 1 2 9 6, 6 power 4 divided by 5 power 4 equal to 6 by 5 the whole power n. So 6 by 5 the whole power 4 equal to 6 by 5 the whole power n. So now what is n? N equal to 4 years. N equal to 4 years. So in how many years rupees 5,000 becomes 10368 at 20% per annum compound interest calculated annually? That is 4 years. This question is very useful for banking. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.